Hello! This short video will show you how to create a shopping cart in eRec for a consignment item. In many ORs and other clinical areas, there may be consignment purchases made. eRec has the ability to create shopping carts for these consignment items right from your desktop. Your site may purchase consignment items that are either to bill and replace the item that was used, to bill only, or to replace only. The consignment functionality in eRec can process all three of these types of transactions. Please note, as the bill and replace is the most frequently used type of consignment purchase, this is the default in eRec. In this short video, we will show you how to create a shopping cart for a consignment item to bill and replace, bill only, or replace only. Let's get started. We're going to use product ID number 35502 and process this consignment item as a bill and replace. We'll select Internal Goods and Services and enter product ID 35502 and select Enter. OK. Follow the same process as you do when you're creating a normal shopping cart. The difference is that within the background data, this item is flagged as a consignment item. So, when you're creating your shopping cart, consignment items are added in exactly the same way as other materials. So, when you add your item to your shopping cart, you click on the description, and under the item data tab, you will see the consignment type. Here it defaults to bill and replace. Again, this is where you select the options, but we'll use the default bill and replace on this shopping cart. Many vendors require the serial number and/or lot number to be provided back to them. To do that, you select Notes and Attachments. Here you have a few options depending on the operational processes at your site. You can scan the barcode or QR code, and the information will upload into this field. Scanners have the functionality to scan both types of code. You can manually enter the lot number and/or serial number if you don't have a barcode reader by clicking in the field, or if you don't need to populate this field, you can put NA. You simply click Vendor Text and identify your lot number and/or your serial number. And select OK. You can then process your shopping cart as you normally do by selecting Next and Order. You will see that the system creates two lines on the shopping cart and the corresponding requisition. Line 1 will be to pay for the item used at $50, and line 2, which is automatically created by the system, will be to bring in the item at no charge for the one that was used. Again, you have your green check mark identifying that your shopping cart has been ordered successfully. Now let's do an example for a consignment shopping cart that is bill only, where there's no replacement of the item expected. A serial and a lot number will most likely not be required here. So again, we'll use product ID number 35502. We'll click on the item description and scroll down under the item data tab to bill and replace. And again, we'll select the drop down and click bill only. If there's no information required in the lot and serial number field, we'll still click on the Notes and Attachments, select Vendor Text, and select NA. There must be something populated in this field. And select OK, and again Next and Order. You will see that there's one line on your shopping cart with the $50 to bill only. We will now create a shopping cart that is replace only. We will simply be bringing in an item. A serial and/or lot number may not be required here, again, because we're simply bringing in the item. In that case, we need to put an NA again in the lot number field. So we'll select Shop, Internal Goods and Services, 35502 and select Enter. Again, clicking on the description, going to item data and selecting the consignment type as replace only, notes and attachments, vendor text. We'll again put in NA and select OK, and follow through as regular with next and order, again getting the green check mark. Now, as a reminder, if you haven't put in the lot and serial number, you will get a warning and you'll have to enter the information, and again NA if you don't require the information to be transmitted to the vendor. Here's an important note. If you're creating a shopping cart for an item that is consignment but doesn't allow you to select the consignment options, please let your eRec buyer know so that the data can be updated so it will be available for you to order through eRec next time. We hope you have enjoyed this short video. As a reminder, all learning tools related to the eRec system can be found on the 3SO website at www.3so.ca. Under the Services tab, click on Electronic Requisitions. And if you have any questions, please contact your site's eRec buyer. The site buyer is the first point of contact for any queries related to eRec.